Imagine searching for a needle in a haystack. Now imagine having a powerful magnet that instantly pulls out that needle. That's XLOOKUP for your Excel data. It's a function that helps you find specific information in your spreadsheets quickly and easily. No more getting lost in rows and columns. Before XLOOKUP, we used VLOOKUP and index match. They worked, but XLOOKUP is like a turbocharged upgrade. It's simpler, more flexible, and can handle almost any lookup task you throw at it. Whether you're tracking stock prices, analyzing customer data, or organizing your movie collection, XLOOKUP can be your data superhero. It can even look up information from left to right, unlike its predecessors. In this article, we'll explore how to use XLOOKUP with clear examples. You'll learn how to use it with stock data and geographical data, seeing its power in action. Get ready to unlock the magic of XLOOKUP. Let's say you're tracking stock prices for different companies. You have a list of company names and their corresponding stock symbols. Now, you want to find the current price for a specific company. Lookup to the rescue. Here's how it works. 1. Identify your data. You have a column with company names and another with their stock prices. 2. Type the XLOOKUP formula. In an empty cell, type $XLOOKUP. 3. Choose your lookup value. This is what you're searching for, like Apple Inc. Type it after the opening parenthesis. 4. Select the lookup array. This is the column containing Apple Inc., your company names. Select the entire column. 5. Select the return array. This is the column with the stock prices. Select it like you did the lookup array. 6. Close the parenthesis and hit enter. Your formula should look something like this. Just like that, XLOOKUP fetches the stock price for Apple Inc. You can change the company name in the formula to get the price for any company in your list. Now, imagine you're working with geographical data. You have a list of cities and their corresponding countries. You want to quickly find the country for a particular city. XLOOKUP makes this a breeze. Here's how you do it. 1. Prepare your data. You have a column with city names and another with their countries. 2. Start your XLOOKUP formula. Type $XLOOKUP in an empty cell. 3. Enter your lookup value. Let's say you want to find the country for Paris. Type Paris after the opening parenthesis. 4. Select your lookup array. This is the column with all the city names. Select the entire column. 5. Select the return array. This is the column with the countries. Select it just like you did the lookup array. 6. Close and run. Close the parenthesis and hit enter. Your formula might look like this. XLOOKUP instantly tells you that Paris is in France. You can replace Paris with any city in your list to find its country. Section 4, Night Lookups, Versatility, Real-World Applications. We've seen how XLOOKUP helps with stock and geography data, but its uses go far beyond that. Imagine you're running an online store. You can use XLOOKUP to instantly display product descriptions, prices, and availability based on a product code. Need an employee's contact information? Use XLOOKUP to quickly find their phone number, email address, or department by searching for their name. Teachers can use XLOOKUP to quickly look up a student's grade on a specific assignment or test by searching with their student ID. These are just a few examples. XLOOKUP's flexibility makes it a powerful tool for anyone working with data in Excel. Section 5, Conclusion, Embrace the power of XLOOKUP. XLOOKUP is a game changer for Excel users. It simplifies the often tedious task of looking up information in your spreadsheets. With its intuitive syntax and powerful capabilities, XLOOKUP can save you time and effort, allowing you to focus on what matters most, analyzing your data and making informed decisions. Whether you're a seasoned Excel pro or just starting your data journey, embrace the power of XLOOKUP. It's a tool that will undoubtedly become a staple in your Excel arsenal. So open up your spreadsheets, try it out with your own data, and experience the magic of